Welcome aboard the all-new 2026 Azimut Seadeck 6, a yacht that redefines luxury and combines it with sustainability. This is an all-new hybrid system from Azimut. Let's take a look. First thing you're going to notice on this beautiful Seadeck 6 is our drop-down terraces. Both sides go down, it extends your beam, and you have a beautiful beach club everywhere you go. You're just above the waterline here, and what you're actually going to notice on this boat is a beautiful decking all throughout. And we talk about sustainability here at Azimut. This floor is made out of full cork. So instead of teak, where you have to harvest the entire tree, we are using cork on all of our decks. That way you can harvest it straight from the tree and is more sustainable, and it leads to less deforestation. Moving into the salon here, you're going to see what Azimut does so well. Not only do we have tons of natural light with the floor to ceiling windows, but also with the windows that we have in our gunnels here, we have a full view of the ocean, bringing more of that ocean feel to this beautiful entertainment area. Two things you're going to hear a lot in this walkthrough are innovation and sustainability. We see that right here in our galley on the Seadeck 6, a beautiful countertop, and hidden in that countertop is the induction cooktop. Also, we move over to our fridge, cleverly hidden behind this area here. Not only that, but all of these raw materials, 40% of them are made of recycled plastic. So what you see in your water bottles is actually what we see here in our beautiful countertops and beautiful cabinetry on this Azimut. Now let's talk about what makes the Azimut Seadeck 6 a game changer. So what you're looking at is a boat that is powered by triple 650 IPS. Not only that, but you have a lithium-ion battery pack on board that will actually run all hotel systems for 8 hours on board. So you do have a generator, but you can run completely zero emissions on that times where you need to just be one with the water. With our triple 650 IPS setup, we'll see speeds to about 33 knots on the top end and cruise at an incredible 24 knots. Now let's talk about hull design, which is one of my favorite things about this Azimut. Not only do we have the European plum wave-piercing bow, but we also have a full walk-around of our salon area, making it a breeze to operate this boat single-handedly if you had to, but also it gives this huge sun pad area in the front where everybody's going to want to be. Below deck on our Azimut Seadeck 6, you're going to see 3 staterooms. We're standing in our full-beam master stateroom. Here you're going to see natural wood finishes throughout, you're going to see indirect lighting, and it really brings that boutique hotel finish to your night stay on the water. Thank you for taking the time to view this beautiful Azimut Seadeck 6 with me. I hope you were able to see what this boat does better than any boat in its class, combining unbeatable performance with sustainability. If you'd like more information, my name is Gabriel Gonzalez. Please call me at 863-370-1708. Thanks for watching.
Boom, boom, boom.